Hi, it's Amy with WTI. It's allergy season right now, and so I definitely needed to get some replacement filters for my air doctor, and I was so happy to find FCFMY replacement filters. It's a set, so you get 2 of these HEPA filters. You also get this activated carbon filter, and you get 2 of those, and then you also get 4 pre-filters in addition to that. And I just wanted to show you how perfectly they fit. So you can see these are the genuine air doctor filters. They're very similar. They're the exact same width. Okay, here's the air doctor HEPA filter. Really, really nasty. It definitely needs replacing. All right, and so now let's see how this fits. We're gonna put in the HEPA filter first, and you see the arrows there. They go right in. It's got the white tab that allows you to pull it out pretty easily when you need to. In front of that, we're going to put in the carbon filter. It's a perfect fit. So I replaced my son's filters in their air doctor a couple of weeks ago, and it's working great. I really cannot tell any difference myself so far. Buying filters can get really expensive. I really think these are a great value. I love that I can replace 2 of my air doctors with this filter set. Having an air purifier is so important to our family, especially during allergy season. So I'm really happy with these, but that's just my point of view.